Smooth off. I think out of all of them, I like that one the best.
It's on the other side.
I feel that a lot of them stuff too fat in my hand trying to reach all the way around that safety.
Yeah,
It didn't feel at all. So I've never really liked a lot. I always felt like you're paying for a name.
I think you are.
I've always been partial to Ruger myself, but that's
It's
just
not
me.
firing.
Yeah, I like Ruger.
Their new ones, the new ones that replaced the P95, which I only bought them on sale for $2.99.
Yeah.
Can't beat that.
About 1 minute, 465, about 1 minute.
Their new ones, the price that big, are really nice. They're almost like holding a cig or something in your
Yeah.
hand. Yeah.
Yeah. Everything I've read about them has been. You want to go again?
That's about
Well, I've got 4 magazines I've got to count.
No. Okay. Talking to the wrong crowd. I hoard ammo, damn it.
The bullet